Arlington Snap2It connectors install just as fast as our 38 ASTs, and cable insertion is easier than ever. Our larger connectors handle the widest variety of cable types and sizes in the industry, 14.2 to 3.3. Snap2It connectors eliminate cable pullout. Angled prongs at the top and back lock down on cable, holding it securely in place. Our popular 4010 AST has a red-tinted clip to differentiate it from the slightly smaller 3810 AST. Best of all, Snap2It connectors always offer easy, snap-in installation onto cable and into the box, without any tools. The connector is removable and reusable too. Remove the cable from the fitting by loosening the screw on top. Use a screwdriver to remove the fitting from the box. Save time and money. Get the job done right with Arlington's full line of Snap2It connectors.